YouTube.
The fuck is you looking at, my nigga? Harold, turn it up.
What's good, y'all boys? It's your boy K the Great, but y'all can call me Kalen. So before we get into this video, make sure y'all like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, smack that subscribe button for your boy. So look, we finally reached 600 subscribers, but we not at 1,000 subscribers yet though. We still on the road to 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate the 600 subs, but let's get to 1,000 subscribers. So let's make a goal to get to 700 subscribers before the end of next month. So today I got a simple but effective 3-strand twist out tutorial for y'all. So if y'all interested in learning how to do the 3-strand twist, click the card up top. It's gonna be like right here, somewhere right there. And if you learning, and if you looking how to do the 3-strand twist out, keep watching this video because I got the sauce for y'all, and I'm always giving y'all the sauce for free. All I ask is that y'all smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, share this video with your family, with your friends, with your dogs, with your classmates, with your colleagues, all of that, bro. So I ain't gonna say no more, bro. If y'all interested in that, just stick around and let's hop into this video.
What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another big body voiceover. So today I got my simple but effective 3-strand twist out tutorial for y'all. All you're gonna need for this is an oil of your choice and a pick. So I know I have not been dropping videos lately. I've just been very busy doing absolutely nothing. I just been real lazy and inconsistent, and I have not been feeling it, but I'm back and I'm bringing y'all the sauce for free. So y'all just pay attention. So this is similar to the 2-strand twist out and the Bantu knot out. But if you do not know how to do 3-strand twist, just go watch my video. I'm gonna leave a card right here. Also, I got a new method when applying oil to my hair before I do the twist outs. So usually I would just apply oil to my hands and then dive straight into the twist out action. But when I do that, I would just have to keep applying oil to my hands like every 30 seconds, and it was just like very annoying. So I just apply the oil directly onto my hair just to make my life easier, and I suggest you do the same thing. So when doing a 3-strand twist out, it's just like the 2-strand twist out. All you're doing is unraveling the twist in the opposite direction and then pulling the twist apart. And as you can see, there are 3 strands here. Like I said, if you don't know how to do the 3-strand twist, go watch my 3-strand twist video. It's a banger. So I trust that you got the gist of what I'm doing. I'm just unraveling the twist in the opposite direction and then pulling it apart. Simple. So I'm not gonna say no more, bro. I'll be back later on down the line. This is a very short video, so I'll be back soon. Peace. All right, y'all, I'm back. So as you'll see in a lot of twist out videos, you see some people pulling their twists apart. I do that as well, but for this style, I'm not gonna do that. I'm just gonna leave it defined and curly. I like it like this. So what I'm gonna do is just use my double layer pick and just start lifting at the root to create more volume. So you can do this, or you can just skip this step if you like the defined curly look. It's all about preference, bro. If you like it, go with it, and if you don't. But I like my hair like this, and I like to create a little bit of volume at the roots. So when I put my hair up in my signature style, the man bun, the pineapple, it'll look good. Simple. All right, y'all, this is the finished product. This is how my 3-strand twist out looks when I'm finally done. Let me know down in the comments what y'all think. Is it good? Is it bad? Is it in between? Y'all let me know.
All right, that's it for today's video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and if you haven't already, smack that subscribe button for your boy. Just want to say thank y'all again for getting me to over 600 subscribers. This has been a goal of mine for the longest, and we finally reached it. But like I said, we still gotta skip all the way to 1,000 subscribers. But we gonna get there with y'all help, of course. All right, YouTube, I'm out.